Hi guys, hope you're doing well and have a wonderful day. Today I want to visit Karim citadel and find out some secrets about it. Let's know the reason for slant of the tower. Be with me, let's go. "250 years ago, Karim Khan chose Shiraz as his capital. Date of citadel is uncertain, but surely one of the earliest buildings in Zandiye. Basic plan is simple: 40-meter circular tower each corner, higher than retaining walls. For defense citadel surrounded by 4-meter deep moat, the nights of this street are pleasant because Shiraz palude and ice cream are served, and it's famous for palude behind the citadel. An entrance of citadel is on this side. A remarkable plate in color-glazed tiles added during the Kajaru shows the conflict of Rustam and the Vaidi. Entrance gate opens an octagonal anteroom. On the right links the anteroom to small yard formerly housing the service areas. On the left opens onto the inner territories of citadel. Inside the building is simple. All apartments are built into retaining walls. Large pool and a small citrus decorate the yard. 3 smaller stone pools are located opposite the building north, south, and west wings. The north side was used for winter, the south side used for summer, and the west was designed for administrative purpose. The main reception hall on the west side decorated with graceful stone muqarnas and miniatures painting with floral motifs. Formerly supplied by two stone columns with sprawl shaft columns were dismounted by Agha Muhammad Khan Qajar and brought to Tehran. Two wooden columns were installed in their place. Other ornamentations included marble dados, stone columns with sprawled shafts, stained glass sash windows, and inlaid doors. Most of the interior decorations were damaged and the citadel was repaired and rebuilt repeatedly under different rules. The southeast side corner of Citadel is occupied by a private bath belonging to Zand family. This bath, which in later years was used as a prison bath, resulted in slanting of the southeast tower, recently reconstructed. Today, the citadel houses the Museum of the Zand period. I hope you enjoyed this side. Stay with me in the next part so that we can get to know Shiraz better by walking through other sides. By subscribing to my channel, you can see Shiraz more beautiful. Thank you very much. Be with me.